I'm examining the house. This leveling, water goes down here but fails to go up there. So all this water flows down like this. And here also there is no leveling. Most of the water seems to be coming this side. You can see all this clay here. That means most of the water is coming this side. And there is also some gap in the panels. The leveling is improper. Maybe during construction some things have been thrown on these panels which lost their there should be a constant slope, undisturbed. And again here also looks like a lot of accumulation is there. Water is not draining out. So all this water, there is no way for the water to leave, and all this water is going into this place. Right now there is a dead cat as well as a lot of waste here, and I suspect this waste is all accumulating at this place. Water is not going out, and this room is adjoining this one. The wall may be absorbing a lot of water. That's one problem. And even here the water is not draining properly. It's tending to accumulate. You can see there is marks. That means a lot of water is getting absorbed by the wall all along this wall. I also think that this flooring is slightly elevated than these areas. It looks like that, and probably whenever it rains, all this water stops here and slowly the wall is absorbing, which is why we are even seeing the seepage on the other side of the wall. Also here, water, I think there is improper slope. All this is tending to accumulate here. And there is, looks like there is, I'm not sure if motor is here, but if motor is here, it will create problems in the future. And now looking at the one room, there is a lot of plants, trees and plants here. There is not adequate sunlight, and that is also usually, even if there is water in the wall but there is sunlight, you will not get this fungus problem. But there is lot of foliage here, and our neighbor's garden also throws water through this hole. So much water that the water has actually taken away this sand below this pavement. And there is I can still feel the smell. It's not completely gone. Even though painted, it feels like there is lot of smell. There is a lot of dust here. Better to get rid of this dust. And this on the side of it, there is no water channeling, I think, or way to reach this spot. So that is also recommended to either paint this one or make sure it remains dry all the time. Then coming to one more place, this pipe is having a hole here and water is coming here. You can feel that smell. Even you see that particular thing. I think dust, lack of drainage of water, and lot of trees, all these are contributing to feel of dampness here. And see, even the drain rail outlets are blocked because of dust. So you have to clear the dust and then the water goes out. So I think there is no parapet also, and all this water is accumulating. There is also road construction, because of which more dust is there. These have to be opened and cleared off. I think the entire ones are blocked. It has to be opened. And the painting is good, but there is some leveling issue on the other side of the wall. You can still see the seepage all along this. Here also slight dampness is still there, and here again the water is not draining out. And some water is also coming here. You can see the rusting is happening. That means there is no ventilation or proper draining out of the water. All these things have to be rectified.